guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We are going to be reviewing the Egg-mazing Easter egg decorating kit. It is $14.98 at Walmart. It comes with 6 non-toxic markers. It's to be used with grade A, large or extra large eggs, and it requires 4 AA batteries. This is recommended for ages 3+, and it's supposed to be a lot easier and less messy than the regular Easter egg die. And we're going to be using, since right now it's kind of hard to find regular eggs, we are going to be changing it up a bit and using these Easter eggs I purchased at Walmart. So we don't know how well it's going to work with these eggs, but we're going to give it a try because it's kind of hard to find regular eggs right now. The Easter eggs that we're going to be using, they're not real eggs. They're 12 plastic eggs, and it's an Easter egg die kit that comes with 4 liquid dye packets and 4 egg dyeing bags. But since we can't find the regular eggs, we're going to try using these fake eggs. So it may change it up, the effect of how the Egg-mazing works. So give us just a second and we'll let you know how it goes. This is what it looks like when you open up the Egg-mazing, and this is the Egg-mazing Mini. And it says you're going to decorate from this side. So you're going to be putting your egg right there. It has a on-off switch, and then here's where you put your 4 AA batteries, and then here's your 6 markers that it comes with. Okay, this is our first time trying the Egg-mazing Mini, and we are not using real eggs. We're using the plastic eggs that are $1.98 from Walmart, so it may make the outcome a little bit different. So I wanted you to see it the first time we try it. So we added our batteries. Okay. And neat. Oh wow, I love that. So I definitely think this is a positive review. So far, so good. So we'll do a few more for you. Okay guys, so here's the before and after. So my daughter and I are really impressed with the Egg-mazing. It was so simple to do, not messy at all. The only negative is it's a little bit noisy, so you can't really talk and visit much while you're doing the Easter eggs, but it's a lot less trouble than when you get out the vinegar and the dye packets. So this is definitely a win for us, and we're going to do some more. Also wanted to mention one more negative. It's not too much of a negative. When you get on each end of the plastic egg, it kind of makes it shake around and almost come out of the little Egg-mazing machine. So it's better if you're going to be using the plastic ones. They're so lightweight to kind of stay more in the middle section of the Easter egg when you're doing your different colors and coloring your egg. Okay, we're doing our second plastic egg. So she just placed it in the little machine. It's got the little 4 rollers, and then the on and off switch is on the right side. first 3 eggs that we have done using the markers that came with the Egg Mazing kit, but we decided that if we did a lot of eggs that the markers might run out. So we wanted to try using some regular just Crayola markers from Walmart in the school supply section. So we're going to see how these markers do with the Egg Mazing kit. So the Crayola markers work excellent on the Egg Mazing also. So that's good news. Okay guys, we did 5 eggs. The first 3 eggs are done using the Egg Mazing markers that came with the kit. The 4th egg is done with the Crayola markers. And as you can see, the Crayola markers work perfect. So if the Egg Mazing markers run out, if you're doing a lot of Easter eggs, you can use the Crayola markers. Or also we tried the Crazy Art markers on the last egg and they work excellent too. We plan on doing several more Easter eggs and we are using the Easter eggs that are $1.98, the plastic ones from Walmart, and they work excellent with the Egg Mazing kit. The only difference that we can see is they're lighter weight, so they might kind of move more when you're doing the ends than a hard-boiled egg would. So that's the only difference we can see because the plastic eggs work out beautiful. The Egg Mazing kit is not messy at all, so that is a plus. I mean, you can see our area and it's so clean and nice and neat. No spills, no dye going everywhere, no vinegar, just simple. All you need is your markers and some either hard-boiled eggs or these white plastic Easter eggs from Walmart. So I definitely think this is a good purchase. I highly recommend it. It's $14.98 at Walmart. It is a little bit noisy, but other than that, it's excellent. Or maybe I should say egg-cellent. So we give it an A-, and that's mainly because of us, just because the ends are a little bit difficult. Now they might do perfect on a hard-boiled egg, but we had to touch ours up just a little bit. But we're giving it an A-, but we're probably gonna buy a second one just to have as backup because we like it that much. And so let me know in the comment section if you've used this Egg Mazing kit and what you think of it, because it is so easy, guys. No mess to clean up, no waiting on Easter eggs to dry, no spills. So this is just wonderful. So we have several more eggs to dye, but I just wanted to show you what we did so far. And like I said, we're giving the Egg Mazing an A-, and we're going to purchase a second one, so we highly recommend it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Happy Easter.